Hey, look at that. I got someone who loves me. That means a lot, guys, and you guys might hear me say that to you guys a lot, and the word love is something that means a lot to me, and I love every single one of you. Kind of sounds real sappy and weird, but love is important in this world, and if you don't show it and you don't tell people, then they start to lose sight of it, and I think that's what helps the world, turn. So anyway, love you guys. Love you back, old son. Hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next weld.